By the end of this video, you will know how to use every AI feature in Windows Notepad. Before we begin, one quick note. In order to use these AI features, make sure you are using the latest version of Notepad. You may also need to sign in with a Microsoft account, and some features require AI credits. I will leave the Microsoft official documentation in the description. Now, you may be wondering, why would I use Notepad AI when I already have ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot? The answer is convenience. Sometimes you don't need a full AI assistant. You just need to make a quick change to some text. Maybe you copied an email from Outlook, maybe you pasted meeting notes from Microsoft Teams, or maybe you are just keeping a few quick notes in Notepad. Instead of opening another app, you can edit, rewrite, or summarize your text right where you are. That's what makes Notepad so useful. It's perfect for quick tasks like rewriting an email, fixing grammar, changing the tone of a message, making text shorter, or summarizing your notes. For bigger tasks like research, learning a new topic, writing long documents, coding, or brainstorming ideas, ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot are still the better choice. Think of Notepad AI as your quick writing assistant for everyday tasks. Now, let's see it in action. Okay, let's start with something many of us do every day, writing emails. Imagine you already written your email, but you want it to sound a little bit more professional, a little bit more formal. Here it is, our original email. So I would like to make it a little bit more formal. I will just go here and select rewrite. I just have many options here. For example, I would like to change the length, make it shorter, longer. Maybe I would like to change the format. We will see it in a later demonstration. And now we will change, for example, the tone. We will change it to a little bit of formal. And we just create a new, try again. It is a little bit more formal. And then we can say it, okay, we're happy with this information now, with this text, and then we will just check it to replace it. And now we have a very formal email. Now let's say you have meeting notes that are a little too long. So we want to make them shorter. We just go here and then select make shorter. It's rewriting the text and already has one suggestion. If we are happy with this information, we can just click it in replace. This is useful when you need a quick reminder before your next meeting. Another useful option is changing the tone of your message. Here we have a really informal text, I would say. So we can just go here and then we can just change the tone. We saw already formal, then we can change it also to casual, inspirational, or with humor. So we will just check inspirational. We have already here a suggestion. I truly appreciate its importance. So we can change it a little bit with humor, and then we can just recreate the text and it changes to another tone. Small changes like this can make your communication sound a little bit more professional or a little bit more casual. It depends on the tone that you wish. Now let's take a look at the summarize feature. Imagine you just finished a long meeting. Instead of reading everything again, you can ask Notepad to summarize it for you. So we will use here the summarize. And now it's writing a very summarized text. Maybe we can just want it to try it again. And maybe we are not satisfied, so we can just try it again. And I think the option 1, we can just go back and select the option, the text that we are happy with. So I think the first one was pretty good. And we have the option to insert it below our original text. So I will just click insert below. And that's it. Now the next feature is write. So we can use Notepad just to write a new text. We will go here. We will have the option write. and we write our prompt. In this case, I am asking, write a friendly email inviting the team to a project kickoff meeting next Tuesday at 10 a.m. And I just click send, and it wrote already my email, and I would say, okay, I'm very happy with this result, and I will just keep it in the text. Another useful feature is change format. So sometimes your information is correct, but it's a little bit difficult to read. So for example, we have this text, and then we would like to change the format, and we would like that it creates a list. And then this will be the result. The other way around, for example, we would like to replace it. We have a list, and we would like to create from there a paragraph. Now it changes to a paragraph format, and we will just replace it. And now we have here a funny one to try. For example, if we want to set it like a poem, and this is the format of a poem from the original text. So we just click read. And now we have the text in a poem form. Now some final thoughts. I think these AI features are nice to have in Notepad. They can be useful for everyday writing task. However, they will not replace ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot. If you are already using Windows 11, I think they are worth trying. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.